Being a child of the 80s, I remember when He-Man was Master of the Universe. In my opinion, I think the Skeletor stick from Tethrd might be the master of the budget-friendly stick options for saddle hunting. Let's check it out. So coming in at about 2 pounds per stick, you're walking into the woods with 8 pounds total. I think right now a set of 4 is going for sale on Tethrd for about $225 plus shipping and handling. You get 8.5 foot of the Dynalite material for your attachment method and a really cool Versa button here. Now, the Skeletor have been out for a few years. I've been saddle hunting. This is my 3rd season. This was my first option. For the budget, I thought it was great. For the packability, I thought it was great. It was a little tough for the weight. Once I saw some of the other options, and at the time, Tethrd was out of the 1 stick, so I wound up going with the Latitude SS carbon stick. I still have my eye on the 1 stick, but even if you go on Tethrd's website right now, they say they only have a few more of these in stock. You buy it as 4 total. You can't buy single Skeletor sticks, which is fine, because when you're starting in saddle hunting, you're going to want 4 sticks right out the gate. You might get down to 3, 2, a few with an 8er. Hell, you might even get to a place where you're doing 1 sticking. That's not me yet. In complete transparency, I'm still hunting with 4 sticks and an 8er. A 2-step 8er, a matter of fact. So you get the 8.5 foot Dynalite material, which I love. Stuff is super strong. You got a 2 pound stick, some really aggressive teeth to bite into a tree. The other thing that I loved was the packability. My carbon sticks, you can't fold up the steps. That was a really big selling point for me getting into saddle hunting with the Skeletor stick, because they completely fold up, and when you pack these into your backpack, there's just less to get hung up on. If you're new to saddle hunting, and even if you're a seasoned veteran of saddle hunting, you're going to have times where you just get caught up on rope. It's just part of the process. And so what it winds up doing is slowing you down in the woods and getting you to a place where you feel comfortable before you make your moves, to make sure there's no type of loose ends that could snag on a step or get trapped behind one of your teeth. Things happen. And so when you're moving up and down the tree, you just take that extra step to make sure that you can move freely. But when these are hooked up in the pack, it just packs really nice. The feet move in the same direction, so it's less to snag on, which is great. 2 pounds, not the end of the world. These are actually going to be my wife's sticks that she's going to start with, and I loved the color. My SS sticks now are carbon black, and they have some stealth strip on them. You could still do some stealth strip on these, but overall, I like the color scheme. You've got kind of like a conifer green and some flat dark earth. It's just a cool looking stick as well. These things perform fantastic in the woods. They bite into the tree really, really well. You don't ever have to worry about them slipping. I actually got my buddy to use these for his first season as well, and he opted out just because of weight. That's the only downside of this thing. Packability and mobility for a saddle is much different than having to trek in a lock-on or a climber or anything like that. So this is still a very viable option for me if I'm going to be saddle hunting and I'm on a budget. This is fantastic. I would still, actually, I'm still running a Phantom saddle. I would have no problem if my budget didn't allow me to upgrade gear, running 4 Skeletor sticks and a Phantom saddle. The Gen 1 Phantom saddle. These things are great. It's fantastic. You never have to worry about this breaking. It's built like a tank. They pack in really well. And then lastly, you've got your little knobbies here. Right now, I think this is the only stick that has these little knobbies that allow you to kind of click them in to each stick. And that way, they stay as a unit, which I love. I don't have that in my Carbon SS stick. So these all pack together really well. They're really silent. I think that Tethrd really knocked it out of the park. They sell these orange knobs, so if you break one, which has happened to me in the past, you can buy a new pack. It's not the end of the world, but they just fit together really well. And that would probably be one of my biggest complaints with the Carbon SS stick, is I'm still trying to figure out what the best method is for me moving these in. Because right now I'm running an orange gear tie. I have also used the Hang Free Co. strap, which this is what I'm leaning towards most. I just like to try different things. But you can see kind of the difference here. Look at packability. Think of that. You've got this packing in, or you have this packing in. It's just a more streamlined design that I think edges out the Carbon SS stick. And so if you are looking to get into saddle hunting, you want to break into it, and you say, Josh, what do you think I should get first for a stick? I would absolutely say $225. You get 4 sticks out the gate, super strong, plenty of Dynalite. Packability is great. They hook together really well. It's 8 pounds. It's not the end of the world. I love that the feet fold in and out. Okay, that's great. And you can hunt with these for years if you want to. You don't have to upgrade. Upgrading is a luxury. Now you can see how well these things pack down. It's a little wider than my Shape Charge from Kifaru, okay? But what I like about them is they're so sturdy that the backpack sits upright when you're not wearing it, so that's great. I'm gonna get it on my back and show you what that looks like. I love how they work. In my opinion, they pack better on my Shape Charge behind my Sherman pocket better than my SS sticks from Latitude. They just pack better. And I love the fact that I don't need anything extra holding them together. I can move around. No noise at all. Can't do that with the carbon stick. There's no way. You can kind of see here. They're just sitting nice. Allows my pack to sit nice. I love that. So in my opinion, if you were looking to break into the hunting space, if you're looking to dip your toe in the saddle hunting space, go with the Skeletor stick from Tethrd. You cannot beat it for the price. Navigate the wild.